Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making bean juice chocolate mousse. Now this may sound weird and sound like it's something out of Fairly Odd Parents, but the bean juice I'm referring to is Aquafaba, which is the vegan egg whites, aka water from a can of chickpeas. Now I have used this in the past to make eggless meringues. You want to start by combining the liquid from 1 can of chickpeas and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar in a large bowl. Then you want to use a hand mixer to beat the aquafaba and sugar until stiff peaks form. Now this mixture will roughly triple in size and it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I've tried using a stand mixer before, but I couldn't get enough air into the mix, and a hand mixer definitely works a lot better for this. Now whilst whipping, you want to use a microwave safe bowl to melt 100 grams of dark chocolate in roughly 30-second bursts, stirring in between until the chocolate is nice and uniformly melted. Then you want to set this to one side to cool whilst you whip up the rest of the aquafaba, and you do not want this chocolate to harden. Once the aquafaba is fully whipped, you want to add 2 tablespoons of cream, milk, or even an oat milk if you want to keep this fully vegan, to your melted chocolate mix. Not the actual aquafaba, you want to add this to the chocolate. Then you want to give this a mix until it resembles a nice glossy ganache. Then you want to start by gently folding 1/3 of the melted chocolate mix into your aquafaba until completely incorporated. Now as the chocolate is going to be heavier, it is going to sink straight to the bottom of your bowl, so you want to make sure you can get right down there without deflating the aquafaba too much. Then you want to repeat this until all of the chocolate is incorporated. Now of course this will deflate slightly whilst you're doing this, but do not try re-whipping this, otherwise you will knock out a lot of the air. Once fully mixed, you want to use a spoon, piping bag, or the messier option, carefully pour the mixture into some serving glasses or bowls, and then you want to chill. This should take around 2 hours to firm up. Now as you can see, once set, some liquid may sink to the bottom. Now you can either accidentally pour this all over your countertop, or you can carefully pour it out. Now considering this is made with basically something that would go down the drain, which is the bean water, the sugar really balances it out, but it does retain some of the slightly salty taste. Now you can optionally top this like you would a normal mousse with some cream, chocolate, shavings, fruit if you wish. And there you have it, bean juice chocolate mousse. It's never not going to be fun to say that. But anyway, that wraps up this week's video. As always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.